Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hafiz. So in this video we will learn what is Query Builder in Laravel. In the previous video we have learned how to delete the records from the database in Laravel. So in the previous video we have learned the insert, update, delete and show the records from the database using the model in Laravel controller. But in this video we will learn how to use the query builder in Laravel. Actually, we will learn why we use the query builder in Laravel. If we want to show the records, update, delete it and other operation to perform in the Laravel project, then we can use the query builder. We don't need to create any model. If we want to work without model, then we will use the query builder in Laravel. So let us see how to use the query builder in Laravel. For that we need to open the project which we have already created in the previous video. So let us open the project. So this is the project which we have created in the previous video. If you are following my previous video, so let us open the text editor. So this is the users view which we have created in the previous video, and open the users controller which we have already created. So we are getting the users record from the database. This one we have 5 users. So we are getting the 5 users from the database using the model. So let us check by return the users record. Save this. Now you can see we are getting all the users. So if we don't want to create the models, we can use the query builder. So let us see how to use the query builder. For that we need to import the DB class first in our controller. Use DB. DB table and inside the table we will pass the name of the table. This one, name of the table we will pass. Our table name is users get. Save this record. First of all we will return. Save this. So let us refresh this page again. Now you can see we are getting the error because the DB class in this controller is not found. So we will import the sort from the, so let us see, use eliminate sports CATS DB. Save this file. So let us refresh again. Now you can see we are getting all the records from the database. So let us pass this users to the users view. We are passing the users to the users view. So let us print this users. Users as user and for each. user ID, and we will duplicate name, email. So let us refresh this page. Now you can see we are getting all the users ID, name and email. You can see we are getting all the users. So we can see we have used the query builder. So if we want to save the records in the database, then we can also use the query builder. We don't need to the creating user model or any model. So let us see how to save the records using the query builder. DB table users, we will use the insert method. Insert name, email, request of email, password, request of password, hash make request a password. So let us test. We have already created the routes for this function save users in the previous video. So let us copy this URL. Now you can see we have only 5 users. So let us enter the name. Khalil at gmail.com 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now you can see we have added one more record. Now we have 6 users. In the database you can also check we have one more record in the database by using the query builder method. So in this way we can also edit, update and delete by using the query builder method. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any question you can ask me in the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you have any question about the update the users and delete the user, then you can ask me in the comment section, and I will create a separate video about all the CRUD operation using the query builder method. So thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.